Hi, I'm Katy from Gredyd Conway and I'm here to help people on Universal Credit. I'm going to do a couple of videos over the next few months to give you some hints and tips and any general advice that we think you need to know about to help you with your Universal Credit claims. So the first thing we're going to cover is your recent rent change. So this is from the 1st of April and anybody that does claim Universal Credit will need to let them know that your rent has changed. I've sent you a text message out earlier this week just to give you a reminder of how to do that. You need to log on to your account to do so, and your new rent details are on the recent letter that we've sent to you at the end of February. If you do need any help to know what your new rent is on your service charges, please just telephone us and we can just confirm that over the phone so you know what you need to tell Universal Credit. And please look at our Facebook page as well for any drop-in sessions that I run to give you an idea of where I am. You can come in and see me face to face.